I'm Sandy Steinman, author of the Small Business Turnaround Guide, Take Your Business from Trouble to Triumphant. We're continuing our series on lightning reports, which is one of the differences between triumphant businesses and troubled businesses. We invite you to go to our website at www.businessturnaroundguide.com and visit our other videos as well as some other valuable resources we have for small business owners. Each department has lightning reporting that they're responsible for, and they present it in the management meetings that we discussed earlier, along with a comparison of what their plan was for the week. You can see samples of those reports in my book. If a particular department is not meeting their goals, it's the job of the department manager to explain what his or her plan is to resolve the shortfall. It's all about personal responsibility. No more, well, here's where we are, boss. I just don't know what else to do. People have to take responsibility. The owner can't be the only one who worries about the business. This lightning report is usually the focal point of our management meeting.